Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with an unboxing video for Jesse James Beads and Dress It Up buttons. You'll see some videos using some of this stuff coming up, but I wanted to show you some of the holiday stuff they have in stock and that I might be using going forward. These aren't really holiday, but they're Disney and they're super cute. We have these Beauty and the Beast buttons. We've got Belle. And oh my gosh, I can't remember the names. Oh, that means I'm old. I can't remember. But the little cute teacup, is it Mrs. Potts? The candelabra and the clock. We've got Cinderella, the fairy godmother, Gus Gus, and can't remember his name. So cute. And then we've got baby Disney. So we've got Tigger, we've got Dumbo, Mickey and Minnie. We've Hello Kitty and Pooh. So cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, so moving on to I think I'll do all buttons first, and then we'll move on to Jesse James Beads. So these are wreaths and canes. These are in the shape of Mickey and Minnie. Oh my gosh, so cute. So there's a Minnie cane and a Mickey cane and a Minnie wreath and a Mickey wreath. Spoiler alert, I think I'm going to be making at least a bracelet or some earrings out of those. Then we've got Mickey and Minnie. Aw, little buttons. Oh my gosh, their suits have fur on them. That is so cute, or velvet. And then it says Joy. So cute. We've got some itty bitty snowflakes. These are all buttons. These would actually be really cool if you cut off some of the shanks and embedded them in resin. That would be neat. We've got some beautiful red poinsettias. You could also like tone them down a little bit if you didn't want the bright red with some ink or some paint. Although I think the bright red is really pretty. We've got some holiday candies. Oh my goodness. They're all Mickeys, but we've got a green peppermint or spearmint, I guess, a red peppermint, and then we've got some sparkly red and green Mickeys. Okay, so I am deathly afraid of glitter. I'm gonna have to get over it, but ooh, I think they're beautiful and shiny, but it's scary. I hate having glitter everywhere. And I'm sure you're thinking, like, what kind of crafter are you? And then we have sew through snowflakes. So instead of the tag on the back or the shank on the back, we have holes in the button itself. That's pretty cool. And then last but not least for the buttons, we have little Christmas miniatures. So I'm just obsessed with the little tiny gingerbread men. Those are so cute. We've got some mittens, some trees, a sleigh, and a little tiny snowflake in there too. So cute. So let me know which one of those you want to see, and some jewelry coming up in December. Next from Jesse James Beads, I have some not stringy material, but this is the fairy silk. That's a bright red. It's almost an orange. It's so red, but it's so bright. I love it. I love it. And then we've got more of that sparkle chain that I've been using a lot because I just love it. I love this stuff. And then some cup chain. I haven't been able to use cup chain yet in the Jesse James Beads video. I need to get on it. Those are so sparkly. Great for the holidays. And then I don't know the name of this chain. You probably figure it out, but it is so cool. It's one of my favorites from them. I love how vintage it looks. It gets a little bit of a patina on it, and it just looks amazing. So there's some chains. This is really interesting. I'm really excited about it because I've been asking for some like nylon cord. I don't know if this is nylon or not, but it's jewelry cord and it's ombre and it's perfect for fall. It's got orange and like a hint of pinky purple, but brown and yellow in it. And it's so great. I'm going to have to check to see what, I think it's maybe 1 millimeter, but I'm not sure. And then we've got, I got one of the Spirit of the Woods mixes. So we're going to go through this one. This one's the Fox. All right, I'm just going to spill everything out. Oh, I love these. You've seen me use these before. I love them. They're little orbs and they're etched. They're so sparkly. We've got some beautiful little ovals in orange. Oh, I haven't seen this bead from Jesse James Bead before. Oh, that's nice. I love it. I love how it like goes from like gold to orange. We've got some ceramic beads to give it kind of a vintage feel. I love ceramic beads. Do we have, we've got a couple foxes. So cute. I love these. They had these in turquoise like this, with the half gold and a different mix, and I just love these. They look very retro, very 70s to me. I love those. Ooh, I haven't seen this one before. It's at an angle, so it's like a diamond looking crystal. We've got some crystal teardrops. Oh my gosh, what are these? These are cool. Look, they look like a swirl in there. The glass is swirled inside. That is so cool. I love those. Ooh, I like that they threw in a hint of pink. Those are pretty. What are these? These almost look like African glass, but I don't know what they are. I know they're glass, but I haven't seen Jessie James Beads use these before. Those are really, really cool. I love those. I love the color. Oh my goodness. Look at these ceramic beads. Those are really nice. I love that yellow. If I ever sell my house and move into my new house, I want to buy a kiln and start making my own ceramic beads and pendants. Not that I don't already have enough on my plate and don't already have enough polymer clay making stuff, but let's do ceramic too. These are cool spacers. There's a lot of beads in this mix that I haven't seen from Jessie James Bead before, which is awesome. We have a really cool copper or antique copper bead cap. Some little, I don't know what shape this is. I can just call them triangles kind of, but little triangle crystals. Or fluted crystals, I guess. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. It's almost like a bracelet bar. He's a little sharp. He's a little fast. He just looks like he's going real fast. I think this would be really cute on just some itty bitty chain as a small necklace right at the hollow of your throat. I think that would be really cool. And then we've got another fox, and he's got his little tail wrapped around his nose. Some cute little flower spacers. A lot of different and cool things in this mix. Some antique copper spacers. And then some etched beads. And then some little miracle beads. And then this little guy. Very cool. I don't think I missed anything. I'm excited about that mix. That mix is gorgeous. I think the ceramic beads and then those big orange beads were my favorite. And we've got some strands. Now, it's not the whole Christmas line, or holiday line, I should say, but we've got some of them. Elf. So these are after the holiday movies. So this one was inspired by the movie Elf, which is green and red and white. We've got some little white bicones. This is a really cool, it's like almost like a football shape. Faceted football. Some bead caps, a little pearl, some cool metal. We've got a boho, another crystal. Oh, this is like a Pandora style lampwork bead. Some more metal, another boho. And then it repeats. So that's Elf. Then we have the Santa Claus, like the movie. A square crystal, a disco ball crystal, some metal. Oh, that's so cute. That boho is so sweet. And then I love this sparkly acrylic bead. We've got some glass and a little Santa belt. We've got a couple of those. And then it repeats. So cute. And then last but not least, we have Abominable. And I really love this. Look at this big snowflake right here. This is the only kind of snow I want to deal with. I just got back from Ohio. And the day I left, there was a snowstorm. So I'm so excited that I missed it. Then we've got a Shambhala style bead, but large hole. A nice bead frame. And then a little tiny crystal inside. This is a cool looking boho. And then we've got a big boho, and then it repeats. These are really nice strands. Love these. So if you saw anything that you're interested in today, check out Jessie James Beads. I put some affiliate links in the description. The Dress It Up link is not an affiliate link, but just check them out. Let me know what you want to see, and I will be back with some tutorials. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Did you get a bath? Did you get a bath? Is it Thanksgiving? Do you have the zoomies? Yeah. Is Grammy cooking? Yeah. You've got the zoomies. Yeah. What's going on in the kitchen? What's Grammy doing? Go see. Go see. Is she cooking?